Today I was on my 3D printing app. It's called Toybox, and I found this lion skull. So I'm going to print it, and then I'm going to customize it. Okay, so first I'm going to print the lion's jaw. Okay, so I finished the lion's jaw, and here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go to print the next thing. I finished printing the connectors for the head and everything, and so now let's move on to actually printing the head. I finished the back of the head, and now let's go to the top. Okay, so I finished printing the top head of the skull, and now I can actually start putting it together. Okay, so it took a while to get it together, but I finally did, and it looks pretty cool. So now I'm gonna paint it with some house paint, and then I can start actually doing like the details and stuff. But before I do that, I have to sand it. Okay, so I got the house paint, but then I opened it up, and it looked like that. I didn't know what to do, but then I mixed it, and it was alright, but it grossed me out. Okay, so I got it to normal paint again, and now I'm gonna paint the skull. Okay, so I finished painting the lion skull white, and now I'm gonna do something with the canvas, because my idea is to make it like go through the canvas, and hopefully it will look cool. But here's my idea for the canvas. Okay, so my idea for the canvas was like a graffiti style, but I tried it with this, and it did not turn out so good, but I tried a different way, and it actually turns out pretty good, so don't worry. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I actually kind of like it, and so I'm going to put some graffiti designs on it, and yeah, it's going to look pretty cool. Okay, so on the canvas, I want to do a graffiti style with my YouTube channel name, and so I'm just sketching it out real quick so I know what I want to do with it. Okay, so that's how it turned out, and now I can start painting it on the canvas. Okay, so I did not like this at all, so I'm just gonna repaint it and retry, because I really don't like it. Okay, so I painted over it, and I sketched it out, and I'm gonna repaint it, and hopefully it looks a lot better. Okay, so I had to let the paint dry, but then I just finished it off camera, and here's how it turned out. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do some graffiti designs and stuff all over the canvas, and hopefully it looks pretty good. Okay, so I did more of the graffiti doodles and stuff, and if you're asking what the 787 means with like the spray paint can, it's my subscriber count at the time. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the line skull the opposite colors of what I painted the like the canvas. So like the blue with the orange, the purple with the green, and then the darker blue with the other orange. I guess I painted the rest of the lion skull off camera because I don't have the footage for it. But yeah, now I gotta clean up my desk because it got a little messy. Okay, so I finally got it all together and it looks pretty nice and I'm pretty proud of it. Okay, so I finally finished it. Hopefully you like it and yeah, that's it.